Hi everyone. So in this video we'll learn how to destructure an object in JavaScript. So let's get started. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Link to our style sheet. Add the script file at the bottom, which is script.js. We need one div element, one button. Let's make it get. We need one h1 element. Let's make it result. Save it, go to style sheet, select body element, text align will be center, select div element, display will be inline block, select button element, display will be inline block, and padding will be 10 pixel and 20 pixel. Save it, open this file in the browser, and this is the output. Now let's try to understand how it will actually work. I will create one object in the JavaScript file. Now on the click of this get button, I want to destructure the object and display the values here. So let's go to JavaScript file and create that object. First of all, we need to select the button. So let's make it btn get. Also select the h1 element. Let's make it result. Add event listener to the button, which is click. The handler function. This will be the object. Let's make it users. It will have three properties. Let's make it A. It will be marks. Let's have B. It will be James. Let's have C. It will be Peter. Now let's destructure the object. So logic will go like this. We need to use curly braces. And we need three variables which should match the property name. In this case, it should be A, B, and C. So let's put A, B, and C here. And users will be on the right hand side. That's it. Now the value of A will go in this A variable, B will go in this B variable, and C will go in this C variable. So we'll have Marks, James, and Peter. Now we need to display these usernames on the web page. So it will be result.inner text. We need to form a string here like this. Just copy and paste it 2 times. Let's make it C. It will be B. Save it. Go to browser. Click, and this is the output. In case you want to have a different variable name, you can do it here. You need to put a colon here and the variable name. Now instead of using A, you can use A1 here. Okay, save it, go to browser, click, and it's working absolutely fine. Let's restore it. Let's have another variable here, D. As you can see, we are having only A, B, and C. We are not having this D property. In this case, we'll get undefined here. Save it, go to browser, see. In such a scenario, you can have a default value for a variable. Let's make it Rita here. Save it, go to browser, click. Now we are getting Rita. In case if I'll have a D property here and it will be Mary, then I will get Mary instead of Rita. Now in case you want to change a variable name and also want to have a default value for it, you can also do so. So let's do it here. Let's make it D1. Okay, so the name of the variable will be D1, which we'll use here, and it will also have a default value of Rita. So let's see how it actually works. Save it, go to browser, So we are getting Mary here. Now let's remove Mary from this object. Now you will get only Rita because it's a default value. Save it, go to browser, and this is the output. So that's it. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you next video. Have a nice day.